how to transfer Ethereum from bitget to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget exchange account. Now, after that, go and head over to KUCOIN Wallet. Now, click on Assets Overview. And now from the sidebar, click on Spot. And now from here, click on Withdrawal. Now, as you can see here on the select coin, search for Ethereum. As you can see, this is it. Now on chain, make sure to select on chain, and now in the network select Ethereum like this. Now to be able to get the withdrawal address, just go and open the Phantom Wallet. As you can see, now log into your accounts by entering your password. Now click on unlock, and after that we need to copy the withdrawal address of Ethereum. Just scroll down, and as you can see, this is the Ethereum. Now click on it and click on receive. Now copy the address. Now go back to bitget and paste the withdrawal address from here. Now click on next. And as you can see, now you will be able to enter how much of Ethereum you want to send. Now this is how much of fees you will pay, and this is how much like you receive on the Phantom Wallet. So if you can change like this, or you can change the network to pay less fees. So if you can now just click on V20 like this, and as you can see, after you answer it, this is how much you will pay of fees, and this is how much you will receive. So this is how to transfer Ethereum from bitget to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.